Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Now I want to make a tutorial like as usual. But I think now I'm not getting very good because now it's 9 o'clock, 9 o'clock, and why I'm in 9 o'clock? Because I love alone. I mean just like alone. And the word what the I love is alone. And okay, now I want to share. I want to make a kitchen gun like a slow grab and so I don't know. Okay, last I wanna just first I think I wanna open the Google. The Google is last we are I wanna make what happened? I think um, not class. I think um here itu on PNG. We are search. Um, I'm sorry, I mentioned the language in my laptop. But you are doing the right. I think this. Mhm. I know it's like let me don't know the thing. Okay, make sure. I think I want to suggest that image. Don't set image. Copy image. Some and you can keep it just like with I think I think in the not in here. I don't know what I forget name. Yeah, let's open the website again. And let me see. Down this video. And I think it's very hard because I'm wrong pick because the hair, the color is very bad. I think. Now I just wanna black, just black. And if my in I'm doing is what name a thing or I got do that I think uh, my picture is not what name not believe if I make I want to share is Muhammad Ghazali Ghazali okay if you are not believe okay now because if you not believe why I I take long to make video because I don't have idea. Idea is very hard to get it. You know what idea? So I make a video again, but I don't know because idea. I lost my idea. Now what 10 o'clock? The video is just 4 minutes, right? 4 or 5 minutes. I think. And if you tell why you not like see the what name I show you on next type like this and next type like this. Why you not like that? Then is a tutorial because you can show in my first video I teach you how to like this, like how to make like thing or thing like this. I show you how to make like that. And if you wanna know, you can show in my video in first like in September or July I think, or I'll I think, but I think there was this video is Indonesia before. I think Indonesia before it was just I think, but I don't know. I think other people. It's cool. I don't know. No, I very many. What name? Saying why? Because in this one semester three, and I don't know. Semester three in Indian is like college. Semester three, or you cannot go semester four. The college like that, but why in uh, junior high school like that too? I don't know. If you didn't know it. And if I say I don't care, I care uh, if, uh, if I very many other in one of semester four, and I have like when I forgot exam, yes exam, yes exam. I had exam in last semester three. I think every school have an exam in semester three, but it's very hard, and in India it has not a regular study. The study is a dunia English, just English is regular, and IT yes, dunia English IT. Oh, and Al Quran, but it's not regular too. Regular is just English, I think. Why? Because in IT we are using English like, and this searching tool. What is searching tool? Like it can like if you cannot English, you if it, what is selection? What is tool? I don't know what is tool. What is selection? I don't know like that. But if you're learning English, you can know it. English is a regular, what name regular study, and oof, regular study, not regular I regular study. And if you are not learning, I think you are, don't know. I don't really care, but I care. Um, if you wanna go to ETN, I say you cannot do ETN, but if you wanna, I'm you can be my you can want to me. I don't know I can uh, uh, different or not because I'm so like I know I don't know when, but it's very long. I'm fight with my brother, no, my sister. Not fight. I think it's the best. disebut I forget, but because I'm just one one in my area because my brother have area, my sister I have two sister and one brother have area, but I'm not have area. I need a privacy, right? Everyone has need a privacy, privacy, privacy. And I don't know what I'm talking about, but I think it's done it and it's very perfect because I'm just complete to his hair. His itu white, white hair, and I think it's done it because now it's 10 o'clock. I'm sorry, 10 o'clock. Uh, past 9 past 30. I not 9 past. No, I forget man. It's uh, what name? I forget. Oh, I'm high school study. But now I'm junior high school. 2 years ago, 2 years, 2 years again, I'm high school, senior high school, senior high school, I think. I forget now. Senior high school, I think. High school, junior high school, right? Senior high school, I think. Uh, it's not important. And now I want to close my video. My name is Muhammad Faridali. Back to you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bye.